حضار محترم آقایان پرهام و فرید هولاکویی.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Needs and Mysteries. I am Dr. Frank Holakouee, and for the next 2 hours, I will be answering your questions that are psychological, sociological, economical, ecological, chronological, tautological, ontological, philosophical, logical, illogical, and regarding parenting. Let's go to our first caller. Caller, go ahead.
Doctor. Doctor, do you hearing me?
Yes, caller, and where are you from?
Oh, doctor, I'm Persian. But thanks God, I've living here 35 years. I don't have any more accent. But doctor, I have to be honest with you. My wife, she forced me to call you. She always telling me, you're too demanding, you're too controlling. And she telling me I need to talk to professional. I tell her, baby, talk to professional about what? I don't have any problem.
Don't have any problems?
Yes, doctor, I know what I'm doing. I don't need any... No,
Stop, hold on. My dear, I can already tell you have a host of serious psychological problems.
Already?
Yes, you have depression, anxiety, bipolar, narcissism, PTSD, OCD, PDD, ADD, TODD, NATD. And you need my CD DVD.
Yes, you see, doctor, she's driving me crazy. And I trying to help her, make her, chimigan, better cooker. I tell her put more of this, put less of that. Sometimes I tell her, woman, is there no salt in this house?
Hold on, what is your own experience with cooking?
Oh, I never cook. But doctor, I know what's tasting good. I know what's good.
Stop.
No, doctor.
Stop. My dear, you don't know how to cook and you want to teach her how to cook? This is like you want to go to San Diego. And you tell yourself, I want to go to San Diego. It is 120 miles away. I need to go 60 miles an hour for 2 hours on 405. And you get on 405 and you go for 2 hours, and then you realize you are on 405 North. And you are not in your car, you are in your bed.
Doctor, I'm so confusing. So maybe I should tell my wife we go to San Diego, but we are sleeping in the car?
No. Let me ask you something else. What number child are you in your family?
Doctor, I am only child. My mother, she told me once they had perfect child, they stop.
Perfect? My dear, I'm going to tell you something. You are not going to like it. I hope you don't get offended. I hope you don't take offense. I hope it does not offend you. But you are crazy. You are narcissistic, you are cheater, you are liar, and you are manipulative.
But doctor, I think what I'm doing, it's normal,
Normal? Are you trying to fool me or fool yourself? No, that is not normal. Normal is not what you are doing. Normal in a relationship involves giving and taking. If you receive more than you give, then you're going to take more than you receive. But if you give more than you're taking, you're not going to be happy until you give more than you're taking. And if you go to receive and taking more, you're not going to be happy until you give and give and receive.
Doctor, Val.
What? What's the
Val, doctor. Doctor, I'm having trouble understanding. I think maybe you're talking too fast.
Talking too fast? Talking too fast? No. You are listening too slow. I'm having an upcoming seminar that I think will benefit you. It is on increasing concentration and cognitive capacity. This Saturday from 10 a.m. till 2 a.m., 16 hours straight.
Doctor, that's very long seminar, but I will be there. Doctor, you're saying to me all these bad words, but I don't know why I like it. Doctor, I think a lot of Iranian wanting your advice. I wish you had show just for Iranian caller.
Let's take a commercial break. We will be right back after these messages. That was an exhausting call. A show just with Iranian callers? For 14 years? Who would ever want to do that?